Welcome back to our channel. Talofa lava, and we have another second session of Island Zumba. Alright, so first we're gonna row our boat, which is alo. So you're gonna hear us say alo, and this is it here. And second, we're gonna move on to alo side to side. Alo, 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 alo. Now we're gonna pick our coconuts. And we're picking the coconuts. Pick the coconuts, which is a new. Pick the news. And now we're gonna go on to cutting the grass. And cut, cut, cut. Give me the grass. Give me the grass. Get it, get it. Now change to the other side. We'll change. Cut the grass on the other side. Cut, cut, cut. Alright, now we're gonna go into sweeping. And salo your floor, keep it clean. Salo, and then we're gonna swap hands. Swap, salo the floor. And then once we finish sweeping our floor, we're gonna move back to rowing our boat back home. So ready, and alo. Oh, gosso, I'm sorry. Pulling our boat back, and now we're gonna row back. Row, 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 row. And let's bring it back one more. Gosso your boat. Gosso. And alo back. Alo. 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 Woo! That's it, guys. Come join us. Are you ready? 2. Alo. 4. 5. 6, 7. Alo. To the side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Speaking coconut. Speaking new. 5, 6. Now cut the grass. Cut. 4, 5, 6. Stop it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sweep the floor. Salo. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 5, 10. And bustle. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now alo back. Alo. And bustle. And alo back. Salo. And ready? Gosso. 3, 4, 5, 6. And alo back. Alo. 6. Gosso. Alo. Gosso. And alo back. And bar. Sela.